Yo everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix recently deleted option not showing in Instagram in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me show you here. It's not showing in my Instagram account. So to fix that, what you have to do is just simply go back and open settings in your phone, and from here go to apps and search for Instagram. Here it is. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on permissions and give all permission from here. If it is, then what you have to do is just go back and then tap on clear cache and clear storage from here, and then clear storage. If you do this, you have to log in and again in Instagram. So after doing this, what you have to do is just go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store and search for Instagram. So make sure from here, if it's showing update, then what you have to do is just simply up to date your Instagram. So in my case it's showing open, so I have already updated Instagram. So after doing this, what you have to do is just simply open Instagram and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply again go to Play Store and install Instagram Lite. From here I have already installed it. So open this and you have to log in your account here. I have already logged in. So just simply tap on this profile in 3 lines, then tap on settings and then go to account. So you can see here it's showing an Instagram Lite. If you want to see your deleted photos, videos or posts, so you have to install Instagram Lite for this. So you can see here I don't have any deleted content here. So what you have to do is just go back, and if you want to appear in this section, what you have to do is just go to help section and create your request for showing the recently deleted option. And if you want to see your deleted photos or videos, then you have to install the Instagram Lite. So that's it for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.